3 more boxes to go, and these might be the best here, guys. The best sneaker at the outlet. These sneakers are so ugly. It's the Air Jordan 1 bottom, the sole of the Jordan 1. But when you look at the upper, oh my gosh. Today we're going to be showing you guys the worst sneakers at the Nike outlet. Usually I like to show you guys, you know, what we can find in terms of best value, some heat, but today we're going to be looking for the ugliest and worst Nike sneakers that we can find. And if you guys want to see more Nike outlet vlogs and more outlet videos, check out the outlet playlist. I'll leave it linked down below. Tim just got some new shoes the other day. Ooh, the Fresh Prince 5s.
The Canadian out here, you know what I'm saying, bringing the Fresh Prince 5s. And the fun fact, he didn't wear laces in the show. All right, Seth Fowler, he didn't wear laces in the show, so quit hating on the shoe, bro.
I don't think those Fresh Prince 5 sold in Texas when they were released, but they were sitting in Toronto, so I bought those for Tim like many months ago. I even forgot to bring them the last time I was here in Texas, so this time I remembered to bring him. On feet today, and on body we got some Bape, we got some Ubique, and then on feet I am rocking the NASA old schools right here. Recently came out a couple of months ago. Thank you, Vance, for sending these over. Alright, so to start off the vlog, we're going to show you guys all the sneakers on the shelves, and then we're going to check out the hash wall. I feel like most of the ugly sneakers are going to be on the hash wall. Jordan section right here. These are not like the retro section, this is the flight section. So we got some Jordan Flyknit Elevations for $90. We got some Jordan SC3s. Oh my gosh, I have not seen the SC models in a long time. This is a shoe I actually really like. It's probably one of my favorite flight sneakers that they've ever done. On sale for $84.99, so pretty decent price, I have to say. And I really like the white and red colorway on this particular Jordan SC3. These are ugly. The Jordan Generation 23. I'm sorry, Jordan brand, but these are just trash, and that's why they're here. $65 for these joints. I feel bad if you pay more than like $30 for these. We also have the Jordan First Class. They took the, I think like the Katrina 3 colorway, like a really nice colorway, but then they slapped it on this really weird lifestyle sneaker. This is just, oh, this is ugly, man. This is probably one of the worst Air Jordans we're gonna find today. $50 down from $110. Yo, if you paid $110 for these, I feel bad for you. I like the colorway, but just on this shoe, oh man, they butchered the Atmos colorway here. This is like the Atmos Safari print. $50 for the Jordan Zoom Tenacity 88s. They're like sabotaging the really nice Atmos colorway. Why, Jordan brand? Why? Damn, these Jordans right here, the Jordan 3 Chlorophylls, they're only going for $100, down from $190. So these are probably the worst retro Air Jordans you can buy at the Nike outlet. Let's keep it moving and look at the rest of the Nike basketball. We got some KD Trey 5s. Not that bad, but I just don't really like the shape of the shoe. They got a great colorway of them too for $65. Some Kyrie Flytraps. Okay, these are cool. I like these. These are pretty nice. The black and gum bottoms, I mess with it. $65 is a budget-friendly basketball shoe. All right, Nike, I see you. Ooh, we got another colorway too. White, gray, and red. I like this one a bit more. $65, the same price as the last one. These are really nice, actually. These are not bad at all. $80 for the LeBron Witness 2. The LeBron Soldiers as well for $110. Oh, these are some nice LeBron, I think 15 lows. That South Beach colorway, $100, down from $150. This is probably one of the best sneakers we're gonna find here today at the Nike outlet. They also have the triple black colorway, so if you have that strict school uniform, you can wear these with your uniform and ball on the court right after class. And then we also got some of the newer LeBrons right here. These are really nice too. The black, the gold. I really like the way that gold hits. It's really like shiny and metallic. These are nice. Yeah, dude. I thought these just came out recently.
They have to be retail.
They have to be retail price. There's no sale.
Yeah, there's no sale. That's weird though. Why are they using the Nike outlet to sell the new LeBron? That doesn't make any sense. It's an outlet. I think they should keep it as an outlet, right? I don't know, but I remember, dude, I think they actually sold out of these at the mall. Damn. Because my boy wanted them in the last video. Yeah. And he couldn't buy them because they didn't have his size. But they have them at the outlet. I'm confused right now. Got some Nike Air Max 2017s for $130. Mess with this olive colorway, down from $190. We got a gray colorway here too. $149. $20 more than the green colorway. Ooh, we got some Flyknit Air Max 270s for $80. That's more than half price. That's like 60% off
but the colorway is really weird. Really reminds me of like a highlighter pack from school, so not trying to have any school memories on my feet. Ooh, these are nice. They got the white colorway of the Air Max 270s for $130 off. That's not too much in savings, but you know, pretty solid for an all-white shoe, just in time for springs right around the corner. These are pretty cool. They got some really high quality classic Nike Cortez Premium. It's all black, no swoosh. That is so weird. I've never seen a Nike Cortez without a swoosh before. $70 down from $100. They also got the classic ones here as well. These are not ugly or the worst by any means. They're probably one of the best sneakers you can buy here at the Nike outlet. We got the Nike Air Huarache Drifts for $55, down from $120. And then of course you got the Roshis on sale for almost half price. They got a white on white colorway, which looks a little bit gray because of the lighting, or I don't know, but it looks a little bit gray. We also got the navy blue for $40, and we also got the classic black for $42. These are some nice Air Force Ones we got right here, but they're going for a regular retail price, $95, so why is it even here? But I like the little print on the side here. The color's good. This is more of a fall sneaker though, so for spring and summer, it's not a shoe I would recommend. If they were on sale for like half price, I'd probably buy it, but for full price with spring around the corner, it's a no-go. We also got the Wheats. Oh, the Wheats. Now these are on sale because fall is over, and this is the perfect fall sneaker in my opinion. One of the perfect fall sneakers. $65. That's way more than half price. Oh, damn, these are nice. What on earth are these? They got some satin blue Nike SB Dunk lows. These are different. These are definitely different. $110 retail price, and I think it's still going for the retail price here. We got some, oh my gosh, these are ugly. These are so ugly. These are probably one of the worst sneakers here at the Nike outlet. I don't even want to, like, I can't even describe it. This is the Air Shake and Destruct. What the heck kind of name is that? $80, almost half price for these monstrosities. This is a shoe that's confusing me right now. I sort of like it, I sort of hate it. It's really weird. This is not the typical Nike Air Max sneaker I'm used to seeing. This is the Air Max Sequin 4 Utility. And a lot of the utility sneakers that Nike put out, I seem to like a lot. So I don't know. This is in a weird gray area. I think I'd have to try it on, but I messed with the color scheme. I like the color scheme. It's something very different compared to the regular Nike releases. They got the Air Max Deluxe. I was not expecting to find these at the outlet, but this colorway is atrocious. This is probably one of the worst colorways I've seen for the Air Max Deluxe. $75 down from $180. That's more than half price. The colorway is just all over the place. What would you wear this with? Like, honestly, what on earth would you wear this with? I have no idea. All right, so that's all the sneakers that they have on the shelves. Next up, I'm gonna show you guys some of the heat that they're having come from the back. So Tim asked the employees if there was any heat in the back. They're bringing it out right now. So I'll show you guys some heat, and then I'll show you guys the hash wall, where everything is an extra 20% off, and they have some really, really good Jordans. So stay tuned. Let's check up on Tim and what sneakers they found in the back of the stock room. Tim came through with the heat with the employees from the back. Check it out. Yo, they brought out 10 boxes for Tim. I hope they have some heat. So let's go see what they have, and I'll let you guys know what they got in here. Oh my gosh, no. He just put out 4s at the outlet, the Raptors 4s. We're gonna take a look at that in a second. Oh, thank you, sir. So they got Raptors 4s at the outlets. Is this regular retail price? I don't know, but size 8. That's the Asian money size, as they say in Toronto. So we got the Jordan 4 Raptors right here at the outlets. That's pretty insane to find here. What else do we got? This is the box I was just showing you guys a second ago. Air Max 270 special box. Let's see what they got. Oh, whoa. Oh, 270. Oh, 720. It's the new Air Max 720. Look at that. Look at the packaging's crazy too. That's some crazy packaging, but first time holding the 720s in person. There's like this glitter on the inside. It's so weird. But yeah, this is a shoe I'm still on the fence about too. At first, when I saw pictures online, I was like, it looks like an alien kind of sneaker. So it was a pass for me, but maybe with the right colorway, it's a cop. So Tim just finished recording. I'm gonna show you guys what they have here. So let's check it out. In this box, we got the Japan 12s right here. Mess with these are really, really clean. Man, they came out with the heat today. This is size 11 for the Japan 12s. We got some LeBrons in here. Ooh, some Superman LeBrons. Damn, these are crazy. These are crazy. Not my style, but I know some of you guys will really appreciate these sneakers. Let's throw these back. These are a size 11.5. What else heat we got inside of here, guys? What else? We got some.
All right, we're just making its own video.
This is a Jordan 19 right here. Air Jordan 19. Oh gosh, these are ugly. I can't do these. The Jordan 19 was a sneaker I can never. No. These are worse. These are probably one of the worst Jordans here. Maybe worse than the 3s, to be honest with you. Ooh, this is a different kind of box. The improvise, scavenge, protect, adapt. Size 8.5. This is like a tech wear Nike React Element 55. I like these. I messed with the colorway. I'd have to try these out too. They don't have my size, unfortunately. This is the only size they have here, but pretty different, pretty unique. I know some of you guys are gonna think these are ugly, like really, really ugly. So let's just put these back though. Let's put them back. We got some Kyrie 5s. I think these are like a Chinese New Year Kyrie 5. 4 more boxes to go before I show you guys the rest of the Nike outlet with the hash wall. We got this golden Air Jordan box, the Air Jordan 12 CNY. Let me take off this lid. Ooh, these are nice. I've seen these once before at Livestock in Toronto. You guys can like tear off the satin and it's gonna reveal the print on the inside of the collar right there. These at the outlet is pretty insane. And size 10, they're my size too, but I'm pretty sure it's the regular retail price. So we'll throw these back because the $200 US price point is very, very expensive. 3 more boxes to go, and these might be the best here, guys. The best sneaker at the outlet. Ooh. The infrared Air Jordan 6. If you're a booty guy, you're gonna like these sneakers without a doubt. Look at that Nike Air. Whoa, really nice. Size 8, and I heard they have a size 11.5 in the back. Sadly, no size 10. No size 10 for me, but yeah, let's put these back because I'm getting sad just holding these because I can't buy them. I'm getting really sad. So we're gonna put these back right now. What's inside here? Ooh, I think these are the new like Laney kind of 5s, or the Michigan 5s, was it? Not really a fan of these. The blue and the yellow isn't really my thing, but I know some of you guys will rock with these because they might be your school's colors, so we'll put those back. These are a size 10. And then last but not least, some Air Jordan 4s. What we got here? What do we got here? Ooh, look at that print. Look at that print. That's pretty cool. These are the tattoo Air Jordan 4s. I think this is probably one of the worst Air Jordan 4s they've ever made, in my opinion. Not really a fan of these. I know a lot of people don't like these either, so yeah, they had the Jordan 4 tattoo at the Nike outlets as well. That was so crazy. I was looking for the worst possible sneakers I could find here at the Nike outlet today, but we found some of the best possible sneakers at the Nike outlet. So that's pretty insane. I don't know what to title this video anymore. The worst and the best sneakers at the Nike outlet, maybe that. But with that said, if you guys made it to this far in the video, halfway, let me know in the comment section down below, what is your favorite sneaker from the Nike outlet vlog so far from that batch I just showed you guys. Anyways, let's take a look at the hash wall. All right, so today is our lucky day at the hash walls here at the Nike outlet. An extra 20% off all of the sneakers on the wall. And let's start digging. Let's just start digging. Ooh, we ended up finding some heat right at the start here. We got some Mellow 13s, size 8.5. These are going for $160 with an extra 20% off with them discounts. Really like the way this black and yellow contrast each other. These guys, these sneakers are so ugly. It's the Air Jordan 1 bottom, the sole of the Jordan 1. But when you look at the upper, oh my gosh, these look like some Skechers Payless kind of shoe. Oh, this is a big fat no. Who allowed these to become in production? Like, this is messed up. This is a disgrace to the Jordan brand. They're on sale for $55 with an extra 20% off. The Jordan fadeaway. Get this garbage out of here. Probably one of the better sneakers on the hash wall. We got some Air Jordan Future Premiums in the infrared colorway, size 10. They have 2 of them available. These are on sale for $75 with an extra 20% off. I think these are honestly one of the best colorways of the Jordan Future in general, so really surprised to see them here at the outlets. I like the golden lace tips on the aglets too. Looking really, really nice. And I'm pretty sure the knit upper actually has some 3M reflective material too, so these are gonna pop at nighttime. Check it out, we got some Air Jordan 1s right here. This peach colorway with the double Nike branding on the side of the shoe. Size 12, $110 with an extra 20% off, regularly priced at $160. Of course, we got a bunch more Jordan Future Premiums. If you guys did make it to the very end of the vlog, comment down below, Nike Outlet Gang. And if you guys want to see all the shoes that we bought today, well, Tim bought them all. Tim bought so many pairs. I think he spent like $2,000 or $3,000 today. He bought all the heat I showed you guys, and I think they hooked them up with an extra 20% off too, which is crazy. So I'll leave his channel link down below if you guys want to check it out. With that said, subscribe, hit that red button down below, join the SneakerTalk family, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace out.